Hey guys, I am Ankit and I welcome to all of you on our channel QWSCAP. In this video, we will discuss about Multicoreware hiring process and I will tell my interview experience also. So let's get started. The hiring process that will be same for research cluster student also. Okay, who are in research cluster of MCW in different colleges. For them also same hiring process they will put. Okay, so research cluster people also can see this video. So let's see. So first of all, we will talk about job role and salary. So they have provided two job roles, software engineer and research engineer. For software engineer, salary is the 7.2 LPA, and for research engineer, salary is 10.2 LPA. And coming to eligibility criteria, for software engineer, your CGPA should be 8.0 or 8.0 above, and research engineer for CGPA should be 8.5 or 8.5 above. Okay, you have to remember that in both job roles you can fill any one job role according to your eligibility criteria. If your CGPA is 8.5 above, then you can fill software engineer alone, but you can't fill both. Okay, you have to fill any one job roles. They won't allow you to fill the both job roles. Okay, so coming to selection process, there are 5 rounds. So what are the rounds? First round is online assessment test. In that they will give aptitude plus technical questions. They will give in MCQ format and you have to choose any one option among 4 options. Okay. Second round is coding assessment. In that they will give coding questions. You have to code in their particular platform. Okay. Third, fourth, fifth one is the interview. So technical interview 1, technical interview 2, manager interview. Okay. In technical interviews, they will ask about technical questions, and in manager interview also they will ask technical questions only. They won't ask like HR questions like other companies asking like that. They won't ask. They will ask in that manager interview also. They will ask only technical questions only. So all rounds are elimination round. If you rejected from any round, so you will be out of this hiring. Okay. So next round one online assessment test. In that, so round one was the online assessment test. In that 100 student only was the eligible. Why 100 students only eligible for this campus drive? So I will tell you. In that MCW campus drive, they have sent one Google form. Okay, who have filled that Google form? First 100 people, that only was the eligible for that campus drive. I know this by hearing this is something weird, but like this only it processed for our campus drive. Okay, so they have given in this aptitude plus technical questions. In technical questions that cover database management system, operating system, computer network, data structure algorithm, pseudo code. And in aptitude they cover like verbal reasoning, verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning. These all topics they covered. Okay, so coming to round 2 coding assessment. For coding assessment only 31 student was eligible out of 100, and in that they have given three coding questions, easy, medium, hard, like this they have given, and total duration was the 60 to 90 minutes was the total duration. I have no exact figure, but it's belongs to 60 to 90 in between only, and you can code that in any one language, C++, Python and Java. Okay, now coming to for research engineer role. So what's the difference between software engineer role and research engineering role hiring process? So in the research engineering role, you will have same coding assessment, like for software engineering role also coding assessment will be there. For research engineering role also coding assessment will be there. For research engineering role, one more coding round will be there, that is complex coding round. Okay, that is only for research engineering role. Suppose if you pass in coding assessment coding round, but if you fail in complex coding round, okay, then you will consider for software engineering role 7.2 LPA. You will out from research engineering role. I hope you understand. So guys, they had asked me 3 coding questions in my coding round, but so far I remember only 2 questions, so I have put it in the PPT. Don't worry, you can access this PPT. I have given the link for this PPT in the description box. You can go and you can access this PPT. So first question was based on linked list and second question was based on the 2D array. And how much so far I remember, third question also was the based on array only. Okay, so let's see the next technical interview. So for technical interview, only 12 students got shortlisted for technical interview 1. So these are the questions asked to me in technical interview 1. Okay, and so first question was the I have to print this pattern by the for loop. And what happened means that interview was the on Zoom meeting. So they told to me share the screen and write the code in the online compiler in front of me. Like this the interviewer said to me. Okay, So I have shared the screen and I written the code in online compiler in front of the interviewer. Okay, you can ask 2-3 minutes to from him that sir, give me 2-3 minutes to make the logic. He will give you definitely 2-3 minutes to make your logic. I also asked to sir that give me 2 minutes, I will make a logic and I will write the code. So he given me. Okay, so second question he asked about sort array in ascending order. Okay, so that also I asked for some time to make logic and I made logic and I written the code in online compiler. Okay, and after he asked question about those codings which I written in the online compiler. Also he asks many questions about array and all in those codings only, that why you done this, how, why this only method you use, why you didn't go for another method, like these questions he asked on those codings which I written in the online compiler. Okay, so and he asked about static and dynamic memory location and what are the function used for dynamic memory location, what is the difference between malloc and calloc, and what do you mean by time complexity, space complexity, what is multi-threading. So these are the questions he asked me in my interview. Okay, so coming to round 4, technical interview 2, 6 students got shortlisted for technical interview 2, and in that I said to interviewer that I know only C programming. So he asked me only about C programming questions only. So first question he asked difference between structure union, application of union. He asked about static scoping, static variable, global variable, and he told to me create a 2D dynamic array, difference between iterative method and recursive method, what is profiling, what is strict version control, and tell me about graph, data structure, and data application. And lastly he asked like if you made a software and it performance goes down, then what steps you will take, what necessary steps you will take. So these type of kind of questions he asked to me. And also he asked to me that actually I am a gate qualified student. So he asked to me, you are planning for masters through gate exam, then why should I hire you? Okay, this question he asked to me. And if you are also a gate qualified students, then you can expect this question from every company. Okay, so you can answer for this question is like, sir, it's not like that I am planning for masters, just to check my fundamental knowledge in the computer science. So I had given the exam, this gate exam. You can say like this. Okay, so round 5 was the manager round. In that 2 students only was the eligible in the manager round, and they have given to me one puzzle question and I have to solve that puzzle question. Okay, this is the puzzle question they have said to me. They have told to me, they asked to me, based on this puzzle they have asked to me 3-4 type of questions. I have answered for that 3-4 type of questions, and they told to me like implement this question in any language which you prefer. So I successfully implement in C programming and I got output also. So that's the manager round. And this is the lastly number of shortlisted candidate. So in online assessment test only 100 students only was the eligible, and 31 students got shortlisted for the next round. For coding assessment 31 was the eligible and 12 students got shortlisted for next round. For technical interview 1, 12 students was eligible and 6 students got shortlisted for next round. For technical interview 2, 6 was the eligible, 2 only got shortlisted for next round. For manager interview, 2 candidate was eligible, and here our hiring was ended. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video then kindly like, comment and share with your friends. So thank you so much to seeing our video. Thank you.